To set music general notifications as silent in Samsung Galaxy S10, open Music app. You can open from home screen, or you can open from app screen. Swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen. If you use default themes, tap Samsung folder and then tap message. Tap more icon or three dot icon and then tap settings. Select notifications and then tap general notifications. You must turn on show notification to enable general notifications and then select silent. No sound or lock screen icon. You can see your notification by swiping down from top of the screen. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.